Make sure the airbag sign near the door. Special stitching method at backside to ensure the use of airbag. Just push it forward to take away 2 hooks under the seat. Pull out the Velcro and stick it with back cover. Make sure the short side near the armrest. Tuck the elastic belts into the gap. Thread the webbing under the seat and tighten it with the connecting buckle. Find the elastic belts through the gap on the side of the seat and secure it with a hook back. Custom car seat cover for Tesla Model 3. Avoid child safety locks along the seam backward to stuff the pad. Find the webbing and pull hard to pull the cover out. Take out the safety belt and fix the backrest. Use tool to stuff the excess into the gap. The same way. Put on the armrest cover and insert the leather into the cup holder plastic plate. Fit the small headgear according to the original vehicle angle. Place the bench cover, insert the cloth sleeve into the safety buckles gap. Use tool to push the Velcro into the seat gap to fix it. Fix the bottom Velcro and push the buckle into the gap between the bases. Put on the side armrest, secure the inner Velcro, and stuff the leather into the gap at the door. Refresh the look. Protect the interior.